for you guys. From my butchering names, maybe. We'll see. The video's not done yet. We're off of Butterfly and Walnut. Cool. Anyway, Tasty Garden should be pretty close. Pretty close. I'm probably gonna make a left turn here on. Let's see what this is. Culver. There it is. Culver. It's coming down on me like Susan W's attacks. Hiding my videos and all that stuff. Disliking my videos on using the algorithm. Just cracking down. No thanks. Don't rain on me. So it's Culver and Walnut here. And on the right, we have a cool Taekwondo Plaza there. Heritage Plaza. You'll find Mitsuwa Plaza and Ildo Taekwondo down there. Daiso. You can also gas up at the mobile over there, but it's not my favorite. Sorry, not my favorite. I like Chevron with Techron instead. And Costco. Costco's my favorite, except when it's busy. Yeah, not a big fan of mobile. It's not mobile's fault. It's the machines. The machines are not fun. Just like the shell machines are not fun to gas up at. You know, you'd think like these days they'd have everything covered with the good old credit cards and stuff, making it easy to gas up. But mobile and shell still have some work to do. On the other hand, there is a charging station for your non-gas powered cars here on the right in the Heritage Plaza. So if you can afford a non-gas powered vehicle, that's where you go. Alright, here we go. Please don't rain on me, okay? I love the sun, and I love that it's a sunny day today, so yeah. Wrong song, Miss Lady. Miss Lady Gaga. Or not. Ariana Grande. I don't know. It's ambiguous. Let's see. Let's go on to Go Country 105.